This question involves formulas for the surface area and volume of cylinders, cones and spheres. So at the bottom of this page I've copied those formulas from the formula sheet at the front of your paper. Now we're asked to find the total volume of the solid above. So we've got the volume of the cylinder first of all, which the formula is pi r squared h. So the pi times the radius squared, which is r, times its height, but its height is also r. So it's going to be pi r cubed in a moment. Plus the formula for the volume of a cone, which is 1/3 pi r squared h. So that's 1/3, and pi, its radius is r, times its height, which is also r. R squared times r is r cubed, so this becomes pi r cubed plus 1/3 of pi r cubed. Pi r cubed is the common term here, and you've got one of them plus 1/3 of them, which makes 4/3. Which is the formula for the volume of a sphere. Now the total surface area of the solid, we need to add, first of all, start with the circular base, which is pi r squared. Then we have the curved surface area of the cylinder, which is 2 pi r times h, but h is r, so it's 2 pi r squared, plus the curved surface area of the cone, which is pi r times the slanting length L, which we haven't worked out yet. So we've got pi r squared plus 2 pi r squared is 3 pi r squared. We need to deal with this L. To find L, we need to construct a right angled triangle, and this is the cross section of the cone, and its height is r and its radius is r. So using Pythagoras' rule, we're going to do r squared plus r squared, which is 2r squared, and this is going to become the square root of 2r squared. That can be simplified as the square root of 2 times r. So using that fact for L, we can now simplify this to 3 pi r squared plus pi times r times L, which is root 2r, which becomes root 2 pi r squared. Pi r squared is a common factor here. So this is pi r squared 3 plus root 2. Now because 3 plus the square root of 2 must be greater than 4, because the square root of 2 is greater than 1, we can write that this is greater than 4 pi r squared, the surface area of a sphere.